Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are unboxing our winter Fab Fit Fun. I always say Fit Fab Fun for some reason. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't looked at any spoilers, so let's be surprised together. This box is $50. You get 4 boxes. It's seasonal. This is obviously the winter box, like I said. And you get a shit ton of stuff in here. So let's go through this and see if this season's was any good. Hi! P.S. Lou is right here, so if the sweet sound of children bothers you, then feel free to leave now, because the baby stays. So the first thing I see is from Black. I think that's a brand, Black. It's 5 eye masks, and it contains hyaluronic acid, and it retails for $29 for this pack of 5. I'm not a huge, eye mask person. They're fine, but I don't get excited about them. Ooh, I am excited about this, though. So this is from Thrive Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from this company. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. I have heard of this. This retails for $24, and let's swatch it because I didn't actually put one on my eyes today, so let's do it with this. Okay, it's a tiny bit more subtle than what I usually go for an inner highlight, but it's pretty, and I'll obviously use it. I'm not a huge Pure Cosmetics fan, to be completely honest. I'm just not. I literally just got rid of their Midnight Masquerade palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. I just don't use them, but I'm gonna take a look at this. This is the Be Your Selfie palette. This retails for $36, and it comes with 9 limited edition eyeshadows, and it's more of neutral tones. Oh, okay, this is pretty. Honestly, I don't actually think I'm going to unwrap this because I have a million of these similar shades, so it's probably nice, but I think I'm actually just gonna pass this on. All right, the next is from Ahave. Oh, fun. Whenever I see Ahava, or is it Hava or Ahava? I don't know. But whenever I see this brand, it's always like fucking hand cream, and I hate hand cream. But this is actually a cream face mask. This retails for $33, and it's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, vitamin E, smooth skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. That's fantastic. Oh, you can actually use it as a regular wash-off mask, or you can use it as a sleeping pack, which is awesome. I will definitely use this.
Mommy, look.
You're giving me my next product? Thanks! This is a throw blanket. It retails for $49. It features a striped design and a cool fringe detailing. That's fun. I mean,
Mommy.
Blankets are fun. And you get these kind of things. It's not just the beauty box, which I also like about it. I don't need everything at the same time. Lou is very fast assistant. Okay, here, you wanna hold on to that? Thanks.
Hi, Mommy.
You're welcome. Oh, great. I love essential oils. So these are the Elevate essential oils with eucalyptus and sweet orange. Although I'm a little confused. There's jojoba oil in these. I guess they're already diluted for you. I don't know, but so what do these say? Okay, so this retails for $31. You get 2 bottles. You get eucalyptus and you get sweet orange. Eucalyptus is great, especially during the winter with sickness going around. Unlike typical essential oils, these can be applied directly to skin, which is why they contain jojoba oil. But I also would like to know how watered down they are. They might be actually watered down quite a bit because they do smell very nice though. So you can apply these directly onto skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. Sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. Alright, the next is from Bite Beauty, and this is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. This retails for $26. Alright, so it's one of their cute bullet lipsticks. Ah, and that is a beautiful nudie pink shade. I will definitely use this. Every once in a while you can find Bite Beauty lipsticks at Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I haven't actually seen this color though, so we'll definitely use that. All right, the next is from Bear Paw, and this is a really cute winter wrap for your head, and it came with, I call them homeless gloves, but they're the fingerless gloves. And this retails for $45 for these. I don't know about that. But still, I will absolutely use these because I love this kind of gloves, and I don't actually own any of the little ones where you could keep your hair up. So I'm kind of excited about that. The next is, oh, this is I could have gotten this necklace, which retails for $49, or the Oribe, is it Oribe or Oribe? I don't know. Gold Dust dry shampoo, or a jewelry portfolio. And this is actually really cute because it's very simple. And this silver plated, and that's it. It's silver plated. All right, and I think that's it. That was a nice box. If you upgrade Like if you pay a little bit more, you can choose everything in your box from the options it has, or if you're just a regular member like me, it gives you like 2 or 3 things that you can choose from yourself, so, or customize it yourself. So that's pretty exciting. This was a good box. Was it the best I've ever gotten for them? No, but I'll use a bunch of, I'll use like 80% of everything in here, so I'm very excited to try this stuff. So that was it. If you got this box, let me know if you got anything different in the box below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.